this Photoshop tutorial, we're going to fix this normal map for a 3D shirt scan that was baked onto a low poly texture. Sometimes when you bake a normal map, you get artifacts from where everything doesn't line up, or maybe there was something wrong with the cage. An easy fix to fix these extreme locations is just to use the quick select tool. So that's this one right here. And then I can just quickly select all of these pieces. You can change the size of your brush with the bracket keys and just get all of that high contrast area. I might even grab that right there. And if you just move around and select all these green areas, you can then adjust them so they're not so dramatically high contrasty. This will make your normal map look a little bit more even and smooth. Once you have all the high contrast and incorrect normal map pieces selected, go to Select, Modify, Expand, and expand it by 1 to 3 pixels. Press OK, and then often just selecting Generative Fill and Generate without a prompt will use Adobe's Firefly diffusion model and fill it all in with equivalent purple and pink hues that will be more balanced for your normal map. You can select the different versions that you think look the best. I think this looks all right. If I flatten this image, then save it, I can go back into Blender. Here we still have the old normal map in Blender, and you can see all these dark gray spots that just aren't correct for how the shading and lighting can be. For the most part, you probably wouldn't notice this when we put the diffuse texture on, because if I attach the diffuse, it hides it pretty well, but you can still see it right here. So in order to fix that, when I click on the normal map, I can just reload this texture. So over here, I can select the options, image, reload. When it reloads, you can see immediately all those dark spots go away. If you have any remaining dark spots, you can repeat the process to finish that off. But this is going to look a lot better with your normal map evened out when you have some incorrect bakes on a normal map. Hopefully this allows you to fix inconsistencies and irregularities and artifacts in your normal maps. Happy Photoshopping and happy 3D modeling.